Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. So, be honest, ever since you updated to iOS 26, does your iPhone battery feel like it's melting away faster than ever? I can barely get through a day without charging it multiple times. Super annoying, right? Don't worry, today I've got a few quick and realistic tips to help you stretch that battery life without turning your phone into a brick. First off, let's talk about adaptive power mode. Go to Settings, tap Battery, then scroll down to Power Mode. There you'll see an option called Adaptive Power. Turn that on. This is one of iOS 26's new features. It helps your iPhone last longer during heavy use days, but without killing your performance like low power mode does. It's kinda like a smart energy saver, subtle, efficient, and it just works in the background. Next, a simple one, turn off Always On Display. Head into Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then scroll down and open Always On Display. Here's the trick, you can toggle off some or all of those options. If you turn everything off, your screen goes completely dark when locked, saving you a surprising amount of battery. Personally, I'd keep notifications on but disable wallpaper and time. You still get alerts without wasting power. I should mention, all these steps only work on iPhone 15 Pro and newer models. Kinda sucks, right? I guess Apple really wants us to upgrade. And finally, if you've tried all that and your iPhone still burns through battery like crazy, go to Settings, then Battery, select Battery Health. If your maximum capacity shows below 85% and your phone gets hot or feels sluggish, yeah, it's time. Get that battery replaced either at an Apple store or an authorized repair center. It'll make a huge difference. So yeah, don't live your life in low power mode forever. With adaptive power, a few smart tweaks, and a healthy battery, your iPhone can easily make it through the day without begging for a charger. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and tell me in the comments, what's your current battery percentage right now? See you in the next one.